Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all well. In today's topic, we will discuss about the comprehensive definition of psychology. In the last and previous lectures, we detailed discussed about the different kind of definitions in which discuss the psychology as a science, behavior, and mind. In today's definition, we will have to sum up the all definition that we discussed earlier. In this definition, we will sum up our discussion in which we formulate the formal definition which is currently defined. So let's discuss today's the definition about psychology is as the systematic and scientific study of behavior. Behavior includes both animal and human, in which the term behavior defines as it refers to the observable actions such as eating, speaking, and laughing, as well to mental activities such as thinking, planning, and imagining, learning, each and everything which includes your mind. So psychology is actually the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. So there are three different and key terms in this definition. Those are: first one, science; second, behavior; and third one, mental processes. So let's define what is science. Psychology, if a science, then we use its systematic methods to observe, describe, predict, and explain the behaviors. So what science method used? The method which is systematic and objective. Objective, it can be depends upon their results. The all kinds of discussion will be depending upon the objectives results. So scientific methods actually are not casual. Rather, researchers carefully and precisely plan and conduct their studies. In psychology, behavior is studied, experimented, and analyzed. That we already discussed what is actually behavior, that actions we have been performed in each and every day. So for this purpose, psychologist uses the same research methods that are used by physicists, biologists, and chemists, and other scientists and other science disciplines also. So psychology claims itself as a science. The first one. The second one, what is behavior? Behavior we already discussed. Behavior is everything we do that can be directly observed, seen, and experimented. That is, laugh, run, cry, sleep, ride, write, or dream. So third and most interesting is mental processes. What we thought, what we feel, and our motives that each of us experiences privately but that can't observed directly, such as logical thinking, love, the inclination to study. Psychologists explore them indirectly, then infer information from observable behavior about the hidden behavior, which are the mental processes. So these three key terms that we discussed completely, which one? Science, behavior, and mental processes. If these three terms are included in one definition, it will become a comprehensive definition of psychology. Today's that kind of definition we need, and we can say this kind of psychology definition will be acceptable, in which we proved or we demanded it as a science. It includes a behavior which is directly observable, and it includes some abstract things like mental processes which we cannot directly experiment, directly observed. So hope that definition you will learn. If you have any queries, you can comment, you can access us to WhatsApp, different social media links that we will provide in a description. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.